Hey plant lovers! Did you know that over 30% of houseplants suffer from common diseases each year? Crazy, right? Let's turn that around with some easy remedies. In today's video, you'll learn about 5 effective remedies to revive your plants from common diseases and keep them thriving. So, if your plants are looking a little sad, stick around because I've got some great solutions for you. Now, let's dive into the problems. Many plant owners face issues like leaf spots, wilting, and mold. These pesky problems can lead to unhealthy plants if not addressed promptly. Leaf spots, for instance, can be caused by overwatering or fungal infections, and if you don't catch them early, they can spread like wildfire. Wilting can make even the hardiest plants look droopy and sad, often signaling a problem with watering or pests. And mold. Don't even get me started. It can wreak havoc on your plants and is often a sign of high humidity or poor air circulation. So, it's super important to know how to tackle these issues before they completely ruin your green friends. Now, let's explore some remedies. We'll go through each of the 5 remedies, including natural solutions you can make right at home, as well as some store-bought options that are effective against specific plant diseases. First up is a simple mixture of water and baking soda, which can help combat those annoying fungal issues. Just mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda in a quart of water. Next, we have neem oil, a fantastic natural pesticide that works wonders against pests like aphids and spider mites. You can find it at your local garden center, and it's safe for both your plants and the environment. Another remedy to consider is diluted apple cider vinegar, which can help with mold and mildew. Mix a tablespoon with a quart of water, apply it to the affected areas, and say goodbye to that unwanted growth. For those who prefer store-bought solutions, consider a good quality fungicide for severe cases or a systemic insecticide for pest problems. Just remember to follow the instructions carefully. Now, here comes the most exciting part. The key moment is revealing one unique remedy that not only treats diseases but also boosts your plant's overall health. Drum roll, please. It's compost tea. This nutrient-rich solution is made by steeping compost in water. It's packed with beneficial microorganisms that help your plants fight off diseases while giving them a healthy nutrient boost. Just dilute it properly and apply it to your plants. Trust me, they will love you for it. To recap, you've learned 5 remedies to help revive your plants from common diseases and keep them flourishing all season long. From homemade solutions to effective store-bought options, you now have the tools to tackle those pesky plant issues head-on. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on plant care and share your experiences in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and together we can create a thriving plant community.